Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. This is Perry Trade. If you're new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. So I know it's been some time since I posted my last video. So in this video, I just want to show you the strategy I've been working on. This is the NQ on the 5-minute chart. I am using a Hakanashi. You know, Hakanashi smooth out the noise. You can see the trend better. And the market replay, I'm testing the strategy from January 2nd, beginning of the year, all the way through February 28th. So that's only 2 months of data that I'm using market replay. And the reason why I use market replay, and it does take a while, and that's why I haven't been posting video, because all my strategies that I have that are trading automatically, I go through a vigorous testing. So I don't just back test it and then I look at results, it's all great and stuff, but I do market replay. And the reason why I use market replay, the difference between market replay, and I know some of you, when you watch videos, you see people posting back testing results. Back testing is like fast forwarding through historical price data. It's quick. It doesn't take that long. You know, if you can, you can test a strategy for 6 months, a year, and then the results are spit out after a minute or two. So it doesn't always reflect real-time market dynamic. Like spreads, you have slippage, and so it doesn't really give you a more realistic results. Some people use it. It does kind of give you an idea of how profitable your strategy can be, but for me, I use market replay. Market replay just allows me to trade the market as if I was trading live. So it forces me to make decision in real time with no ability to speed up through price action like cherry pick and trade. It's the closest things to real trading without risking actual real money. So you can see here on the bottom left of my screen, sometimes when I post videos, you'll see I'll do market replay. I'll let you know if I'm doing market replay. So this is just a testing that I'm doing. I test all my strategies. So if I'm doing market replay, you'll see this little screen right here. So basically, you can start at whatever date and then end it at whatever date. So you can see here I started January 2nd through February 28th. So I'm just going to show you the results of this testing. It netted right here on the bottom right. I'm using the Predator. Predator is my ATM manager, which is right here. I'm using the Predator. And so Predator, what that allows me to do is it enters trades automatically. So I don't have to sit there and look at the chart and take trades every time I get signals. So just so you know, I'm using 2 indicators. I'm using the Ninza Bollinger percent pro indicator, and also the SuperTrend. So you can see here that I call it percentage B. So these signals, the indicator, the percentage B Bollinger Band, paint these signals right here, sell and buy, and it also paints the background. So whenever you have a buy signal, it paints it background. You can see that this indicator is pretty good, gives you a good indication where the market's going up or down. Here maybe a short profit, and then it goes back down. So pretty much it gives really good signals. You can see here you have this sell right here. It paints the background pink, right? And you can just ride the trend right here. Let's see where else. Here maybe a short profit target. So for this strategy, I'm using 2 contracts. So the first contract is 6 ticks. That's 1.5 points. That's 4 ticks plus 2 ticks, right? And the second contract moves to break even once I reach 10 take profit, right? So the second contract does not have a profit target. It kind of does, but I'm using the ATR, 1.5 multiply ATR, okay? And the trailing, it does trail price. As price move, every bar that closes, it moves down at the low or high of the bar. So you can see that these signals here, and you can see that I entered short here. There was a target. The target is very short, so it most of the time it reaches my 6 tick take profit, but the second contract would get stopped out. But that's fine, because remember, the second contract moves to break even after I get 10 tick profit target. So even though I'm stopped out, I'm not losing here. So even here, the short, let me just blow it up so you can see. Right here, this, my target entry long, 2 entry long. So I got my first target, and my second target got stopped out. That's fine. Remember, my second target is the break even. I can improve this strategy. The only thing I need to do is I probably need to just perhaps just extend or widen my my stop loss so that I can take advantage of the long runs. So here's a period where the market was flat right here. So you know, you don't want to take trades when the market's flat consolidating right here. Here you can see there was a sell right here. Took my first target and I got stopped out here. And also too, you can see where I got buy signals here, but it didn't take the trade only because once I get the signal, this is a signal candle. The next candle has to break the high, because I'm betting that the market is going up. So it has to break the high of this candle in order for it to take the trade. So in this case, this candle did not break this candle a high, so that's why it didn't take the trade. Let's see here. Let me see if I can move it down. So here was the entry short, right? 2 contract. My first contract got reached at 6 tick. I got stopped out here only because, remember, this is signal candle. This candle broke the low of this candle, and that's why I entered the trade. So this indicator does pretty well. Also too, I have a filter, the SuperTrend, which I mentioned earlier. The SuperTrend acts as a filter. So whenever I get a buy signal, right? In this case, there's a buy signal, right? Like if you were entering this manually, you'd probably go into this trade right here. But because I have this automated, so the SuperTrend comes as a filter. So whenever you see the SuperTrend, if I get a SuperTrend signal right here at the buy, then let's say if this candle had broke the high of this candle, then it would enter this trade. So in this case, this did not break the high of this candle, so it would not have entered the trade, even though I have the buy signal here, and also my filter says that it is continuing to go on an uptrend right here. So let me go and show you the trade performance. So here's the trade performance here. So whenever I do test my strategy, I look at the trade performance, and let me just explain what some of the numbers mean. So your total net profit is $4,532 over 2 months, right? And the gross profit is $12,000. I know you're saying, wow, gross profit is high, but then you're only netting $4,000, which is pretty good still. Gross loss $8,000, commission $1,400. Your profit factor is 1.54. I mean, anything above 1, it's good. What that means is that for every dollar you risk, you made $1.54. So that's what that means. Max drawdown. You see my max drawdown is $1,339. Shows some risk exposure. That means sometimes when you go into a trade and the trade goes against you. So this is how far the trade went against me before I got a winning trade. So that's the max drawdown that I experienced. Largest win. The largest win, let's go down to largest win. The winning, the percentage profitable, 54%, which is pretty good Anything above 50% is good. Okay.
I didn't understand that.
Oops, sorry, that's my phone. My phone must have detected my voice. All right. So the largest winning trade here, you can see it's 1,090, and the largest losing trade is 569. So the long versus the short, it's profitable on both sides, but short trades had just a slightly higher profit per trade. So as you can see that the strategy is solid. It's not about winning every trade, but it's about managing risk and letting profitable trade pay for the losses. So I was reading that, not reading, but I heard one of the traders said that it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you can keep. So that's all about trading. Also too, let me show you the equity curve. So I do look at the equity curve because it does kind of paint a picture visually of how well your strategy is. So you can see here, this is the equity curve, right? So this shows, the graph just shows basically the net cumulative net profit over 2 months, right? And you can see here it's just going up, it dips back down, up. So overall, you can see that the profit is going up. And here's a period that it was kind of like flat right here between, let's say between like the end of in February right here. You can see that the market was pretty much, it wasn't a favorable market, right? My strategy. So it was just kind of flat. It didn't really move anywhere. It just went down and went up. And you can see at the end right here, it had the spike right here. So basically you can see where there's period of sideways movements. The overall trend is upward, exactly what you want in a profitable strategy. Also too, you can see that there were some drawdowns, but because of the strategy risk management, I was able to recover quick and keep moving higher. So the key takeaway is consistency pays off. So I just wanted to just show you this strategy. It's very conservative. And remember, I know the profit may not be as high, but remember, this is only 2 contracts. So when you trade futures, you can trade, you can choose how many contracts you can trade. You can trade 5 contracts, you can send 10 contracts. So whatever that profit here that I have here, I can multiply it by how many contracts that I want to trade with. So also too, your risk management. I also have a loss limit of $1,000, so I can't lose no more than $1,000 per day. So let me show you the trades per. Let me go into the. So I showed you the equity curve. Let me go to analysis, and let me show you the. Go here. So that's daily. So these are the daily trades. So this is how much money from January all through the end of February you would make each day, right? This is each day. So you can see here 54, 116. So this is consistent. This is, and then one day here you have a loss of 238, and you can see here you had 3 losses in a row, which are minimum 88. I think this is 56, and this is 295, and this is your cumulative profit right here. Cumulative profit. And so you're earning you're earning profits every day. And here where you had some losses here, well, this was a big loss right here, 520, but still you recover, because you can see here, once I've lost 520, I made back 619 and 1,500 here. So let's look at it weekly, right? So here you can see weekly, and this is the equity curve on the weekly. You can see how it's going up. It dips back down, go up, dips back down, but it's still steady. It is consistently going up, and this is the profit right here. And you can see here that for the week, for this week I lost. So you can see I profited every week right here, except for here, 177 lost. Here I made 516, and here lost 667, but then I made back 1800. So this strategy is very good. So what I am going to do is go ahead and test it for the remaining for March, the beginning of March till today. And then I'm also going to, what I also do is once I trade it in the market replay, I also trade it live. So I'll just let it run and let it trade and see how well it does. And once it does well, it's consistently for, I'll let it trade for about a month, right? And once I see it have consistent profit, then I'll trade it live, with real cash. So this is just what I wanted to show you. This is just one strategy that I've been testing. I have other strategy that I've tested that I show on my channel. If you watch my past videos, you can see all my strategies that I've tested. Not just tested, but also trade live. And I show the profit. I show you how I how I profit and how I transfer the money into my bank account as well. And so with all my strategy, like I said before, I test them in playback, not back testing, because I trust because market replay is more reliable. And so once I do that for a couple of months, because I want to make sure that the strategy can sustain the different market behaviors, because the market isn't the same every day. So you can profit, one day and the next day you have a loss. So it's about also leveraging too. So if you have more than one strategy, and let's say one strategy isn't doing well, but then you have a second strategy that is doing well, because then also sometimes some days you have flat markets and some days you have volatile markets. So you want to be able to have different strategies that is that can do well in both market, and that way you can you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. So at least you want to have several strategies working, and so you can still profit at the end of the day. So this is what I wanted to show you. I will be posting more videos as time permits. I know I've been busy, it's budget season, so I have not been posting videos, but I have been recording. It's just I need some time to do my voiceover. So this is just a little snippet of what I wanted to show you. I know I've been posting other videos that's not related to trading. My daughter's on volleyball games. So what I will be doing is I created a sub channel called Perry Trades, okay? And so I will be now posting those trading videos in that channel, all right? So my daughter's volleyball season, she's on two leagues now, and so now I'll be recording, be posting twice the games that she has on my video channel. So I have double the videos posting on my channel. So I don't want to mix the two together. I know some of you like watching my trading videos, and then I also have the other group that also watch the recorded volleyball game. So I don't want to mix the two, so I want to separate the two. So from now on, this would probably be my last video that I post on this channel. This is a sub channel, which is Perry Trade, that I'll be posting my new trading videos. Also too, please remember to like and subscribe. I also have a Discord channel where other traders, they come in and they share ideas. I also have all my indicators on the channel. I also have templates. What else? I have strategies that you can download as template and put it on your chart, and indicators as well. We share ideas. If you have any questions, please, you can send those questions over to my Discord channel. I will have it in the description. So again, I want to thank you for watching my video. Please remember again to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.